Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I felt like picking up the camera today and giving you guys a little life update. Since the last time I recorded, I lost 16 pounds. I lost 16 pounds in a matter of like 3 or 4 months maybe. I think. I know I should be keeping track and I should know off the top of my head, but I don't know off the top of my head. All I know is that since the last time I recorded, I lost 16 pounds and I been doing Pilates. I've been doing a little bit of weightlifting and walking every single day. So I went on my walk today. If you guys want like tips on how I managed to lose all the weight, it's honestly not that complicated. Is it easy? No, it's not easy. It's hard. Does it have to be complicated? No, it doesn't. It does not need to be complicated. I'm doing like a calorie deficit diet and I'm eating a lot of protein. So that's helped out a lot. And also doing things like modifying my Starbucks drinks, like little things like that help. Like I got a cold brew with like 2 pumps of brown sugar, one of the pumpkin sauce, and like Splenda and like skim milk, like little things like that I've had to do to maintain my weight. I've just had to do little adjustments like that to lose weight. By the way, I really love modifying my pumpkin spice drinks. I highly recommend it. You do not need all that sugars. So that's been a journey for me, the weight loss thing. And then what else is new? I think that's it. So today I'm gonna decorate the house with some seasonal decor. It's not a lot, but I'm gonna put stuff out like pumpkins and things for autumn, make it look really cozy and cute, just little accents here and there. And I'm gonna clean up the house a bit, so I figured I might as well record that. Okay, so I'm gonna get started now. Got my pumpkin spice drink, turn on some candles, maybe put some music, and make it look super cute and cozy in here, ready for pumpkin season. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I'm at work. Well, I'm in the parking lot right now, but I have a gap. I had a early afternoon client and I have an evening client, so I have like a 2-hour gap. and I can't decide what I want to do. I don't know if I want to do my nails. I am a little tired. I'm not in the mood to do my nails right now. Today is more of just like a work day. I don't have that much planned today. I only have 2 clients, and I'm gonna be here till 7 p.m. and it's starting to get dark now that autumn is here. It's no longer summer, though it's really hot today. So I'm getting home a little bit late. To me, that's late. Past 7 p.m. it's late. So I'm gonna have a pretty late dinner and go to bed and repeat everything again tomorrow, because tomorrow I also have another gap. It's the next day. It's another busy day today, although I have a gap again. I have another gap today and lots of gaps this week. Nobody wants to book the afternoon appointments. Most of my clients prefer like an early afternoon evening appointments. So I went to Target because I had to pick up some supplies. I needed acetone, like last minute acetone. I just didn't want to go to like the nail supply store to get it, like the big jug of acetone. Some hand wipes and a couple of other things, paper towels, things like that. And I also got some groceries. I do have a break room with a fridge, so I can put my groceries in there. I figured since I have this gap, I can finally finish doing my nails, because yesterday I didn't get a chance to completely finish them. Like I just took off my gel, but I didn't put any product on. And I don't know what I want to do, honestly. I don't know, I'm just not feeling it right now. I don't know if I want like a cat eye or like a clear nail with like jewels and stuff like that. I don't know what I want. I don't feel inspired at the moment, and I'm very picky when it comes to my own nails. Okay, I'm back now. I'm just gonna eat my yogurt. I packed a yogurt. There's like a bunch of berries in here. It's a lot of yogurt, and my protein, granola protein. So I'm just gonna eat this really quick and get started on brainstorming ideas for my nails. I don't know. much. I like using these for manicures, so whenever I need to clean like the cuticle area, I need a little bit of like moisture to kind of soften the cuticles a little bit, and these are really good. I don't know how I feel about the dark lip. What do you guys think? It's autumn. I thought, what? I figured why not, you know? Close the window. All right, so I'm back home now. I walked the dogs, I worked out, and I got ready. I'm actually getting ready to go to work. And I figured I might as well just end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't much, but that's literally my life. That's been my life that's like my everyday life. Like literally just get up, have breakfast, I'll walk the dogs, work out, go to work. And yeah, it's very repetitive. And I'll be honest, I do feel a little bit burnt out. I did go on vacation 2 months ago. It was great. I went to Oaxaca, Mexico, and I honestly want to go back already because it was just such a different vibe, more relaxed. And yeah, it wasn't like my usual trips going to Japan, because even though I do have fun when I vacation in Japan, it's not much of a vacation, because I'm constantly thinking about things that I need to buy for the studio and supplies and things like that. So I'm not complaining or anything, but this trip just felt very different. I didn't feel like vlogging it because I just wanted to be in the moment with my husband and his family. So it was a family trip. I've never done anything like that before, and it was great. I'll try to include some footage just to show you guys the sights and the food that I had. It was great. But now that I'm back, it's back to reality now, and I feel terrible for not vlogging. I don't know how people do it, honestly. I don't know how people vlog. Like, I actually enjoy it, but I feel like I just get caught up in my work so much that I don't leave any room for it. And I do like filming. It's just, I forget. It doesn't feel like a chore. It's just, I simply forget. It's not that it's a chore. it's not something that I prioritize. And frankly, even though I enjoy doing it, I feel like most people are not interested in this type of vlog, because I don't live the ideal lifestyle. Like, I don't live like in a luxury apartment. I don't live like in a main city, like a big city. Although I am based in LA, I'm not in the city of LA. So it's not as fun, I feel like. And I just feel like my life is not that interesting to share. But it seems like the majority of comments that I get are on my nail videos. So if you guys want me to film more of that, let me know, because that's what I mostly did for this vlog. I filmed my everyday life and what I do at work and just things like that. But it sounds like the majority of the comments are nail related. So that makes me happy. There is some interest there. Yeah, let me know. Oh, I did my nails. I forgot to show you guys my nails. Let me show you guys really quick. Okay, definitely not the best lighting situation here, but you guys can kind of see that effect. The magnetic gel cat eye. I call it cat eye because it looks like a cat eye stone, but it's so pretty. It's very trendy right now. It's very, I feel like it's on trend with like the season, because it is like celestial looking and purpley, bluish, little autumn, not the typical pumpkin spice autumn nail, but I really like them. All right, so that's it for the vlog. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.